Eco-friendly kitchen swaps are easy to implement and can help reduce your impact on the environment. Here are 10 easy swaps you can make today. 1. Swap plastic wrap for beeswax wraps. 2. Use reusable silicone food bags instead of disposable plastic bags. 3. Replace paper towels with reusable dishcloths or towels. 4. Choose glass or stainless steel containers for storing food instead of plastic containers. 5. Use a reusable coffee filter instead of disposable ones. 6. Switch to bamboo utensils instead of plastic utensils. 7. Use a water filter instead of buying bottled water. 8. Buy in bulk to reduce packaging waste. 9. Use a compost bin to reduce food waste. 10. Choose eco-friendly cleaning products. Start with 1 or 2 swaps and gradually incorporate more into your daily routine. Your kitchen and the planet will thank you.